Then we have another tool, the overspray. And this overspray, you can attach it here on top of the brush. Click it on here, turn the screw tight, and these two sprayers launch a water flow above the fibers. You can use the overspray, for example, when you want to add a little chemical for extremely dirty surfaces, but still prefer the brush as a tool. You can use this for facade cladding. You can set this piece onto the pad holder. There are numerous options to be creative and use the overspray tool for different usages. It's irreplaceable in the toolbox. Here we have all the different goosenecks. Standard with your telescopic lens, you will get a gooseneck. This one has the average length and size. And here you have the longer gooseneck. It's made for windows that you can't quite reach without a more in-depth attachment. Especially when you are working at higher floors, 3rd or 4th floor for example, you will use a longer gooseneck. At least you have the option to use a longer one. And if your windows are even further into the facade, you can use the extra gooseneck extension for different and even more complicated angles. I don't even know if there are windows that use this particular angle, but now you know that it's possible. This is the swivel, what we just talked about. And then we have these two items. This is when you want to add an extension to your swivel, so that's a possibility. You can see that all of our brushes have a fast system, which allows you to switch between brushes. This is the standard connector. This is where the water flows from. Now you release the water valve, press the button here, and release the gooseneck. And you can quickly attach a different brush, put the water back on, and done. This takes about 15 seconds, and you will have successfully switched a brush on your telescopic lens. So all these brushes have the same connector. But what if you have a favorite brush from outside of our toolkit and range? Then we have a universal converter, which operates with a wire that is applicable to the standard brushes that are available on the market. Click it on the gooseneck and twist and turn your own brush on your setup, and you are good to go.